What is the standardization of the teaching to the students? Because students are the product of the teaching machinery of the teachers and the institution. If the owner of the institution and founder of the institution, including the teachers, take this procedure as casual, then a institution can get the affiliation but cannot produce the goods. This is my humble submission to the management committee. The principal gave me one appeal that it needs an auditorium. Local MLA fund is 60 lakh a year. I have given 21 ambulance. Nowhere in any other assembly constituency it is given in that number. I have provided 2 times, 3 times the money to the 48 secondary and higher secondary school of my block, already completed. I have recently given 50 lakh rupees to the Sabang Sajanikanto Mahavidyalaya for hostel construction. I will definitely consider if the fund is managed. I do not know what is the status position. I will discuss with Vikas Babu. But it needs a big amount of money for construction of auditorium. After the affiliation, I can speak to any Rajya Sabha MP and other organization, and I will find out what is the other sources for providing funds to construct the auditorium for this institution. But before that, I will remind the teachers and the principal that remember the days when Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore started teaching under Chhatim Tala in Vishwabharati. Don't forget those days. Don't forget those days. I will definitely try for that. But as it is the first English medium institute of my constituency, I shall appeal to founder Mr. Samsul Mirza Bhai and the principal that give your effort, endeavor, sincerity, and do the job with your conviction that this institution should emerge very soon with high level producers of the educational system, that is the students. And I will be grateful to the authority when the students will do the good result and get blessings from Mr. Gary Arathun. I shall request Mr. Gary Arathun that keep watch on this institution, try to give your blessings. I shall not suggest you to be partial, but I shall request you that this institution should not be deprived from your blessings and cared attitude from your organization and authority. Thank you very much. I have taken much. I am really grateful to be invited amongst you, and I shall pray to God that teaching to upgrade the moral values, teaching to upgrade the educational standard, teaching to upgrade the feelings of the students to respect the parents and teachers should be there. I shall request my dear boys and girls, before coming to the institution, please touch the feet of your parents. Tader pranam korbe. And coming to the institution, touch the feet of your teachers, because they are the second parents in your life. you should not forget this request from my end. Namaskar, Bande Mataram.
Thank you, sir, for your marvelous.